Hey folks, this is Mrs. Park. I am going to talk to you about how to use Canva. Canva is a really cool program that you can use to create infographics or other graphic projects. Normally in class we might make a poster or do some drawing. Canva is a great program to use when we have to do those things virtually. So you're going to go to canva.com. You'll see that it auto-populates. I pay for the professional Canva program because I use it so often as a teacher. You absolutely do not need to pay for the professional version of Canva. 90% of its features are available on the free version. So I don't recommend that any of you create anything that is a paid account or anything like that. So if you're going to use Canva, there's all kinds of things that you can click on down here. This will create, so these are about sizes, how big something is going to be. So this will create it so that it features correctly if you were to upload it into Instagram, so it doesn't cut off the top or the bottom. This is going to be a poster, this is going to be a letter. Most of the time when you're using Canva for my class, it won't really matter too much how big something is. It really just matters that you can do something. So, if you click poster, let's say you're doing an infographic poster for my class, there's all kinds of cool pre-made posters down here. So, if the assignment is, make a event poster for some event in the story that we're reading, you could use one of these pre-made poster ideas and then just change the writing and maybe change some of the colors or whatever. Or you can start with a blank screen. If you create your poster, you can click the Elements button and you can see all kinds of cool pictures and things that you can add. You can add little charts and graphs. You can add, so that's a free one. This is a free one. Come on, I don't want to click that. You can just drag them over and make them look cool. And here, let's add some leaves. That's a free one. See, like so much is free that they want, that they have for you. You really don't need to pay for the paid version. So you create, whatever you want it to be. You can add text to it, and it comes in all kinds of cool fonts, cool sizes, cool structures. There's just a million really neat things. You can add videos, you can change the style, you can do all of that. Let's say you're done with your assignment for my class, okay? You've created your very cool infographic, you feel good about it, you've made sure your name is on it, and it all looks good. If you click this little download button, I'm always going to ask you to download it as a PDF so that when you upload it to Schoology to submit, it's a PDF. If you upload it as something else, your formatting might get wonky. So you'll hit download, and then it will come up as a PDF. You'll save it to your OneDrive, just like you normally would save. So you'll go to Save As, you'll choose a folder, you'll go to your OneDrive here, you'll find your English folder, you'll save it there as, English poster for whatever, and then you can upload it to Schoology. But Canva is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful program for creating posters, for creating infographics, for creating any kind of creative, artistic piece. Strongly recommend that you use it when we get to those kinds of assignments in class.